everyone, let us try to answer this geometry problem from the Irish Mathematical Olympiad. In the problem, we are asked to find the area of the orange rectangle indicated by the variable x. Now, as you can see, the green and the blue rectangles share a side with the orange rectangle. So to find the value of x, which is actually the area of the orange rectangle, we have to find the areas of these overlapping rectangles first. Now remember that the area of a rectangle can be found using the formula length times width. As you can see in the figure, the two overlapping triangles have lengths of 4 and 6. But we do not have the value of the width. So if that's the case, then let's just represent the width by another variable, which is a. Now, since in a rectangle, the opposite sides are equal, so this side here, which is a, is just equal to this side here, which is also a. Now, we apply the formula for the area. For this one, you have length, which is 6, times width, which is a. So the area of this blue rectangle and then the orange rectangle altogether is a times 6. But since the rectangle is composed of two smaller rectangles, then the area is the sum of the areas of the two rectangles comprising it. The areas are now 18 and x. That's why we have 8 times 6 equals 18 plus x. Now the same thing with the other rectangle. The length is 4 and the width is a. So the area is a times 4. But again, this is comprised of two smaller rectangles. You have a rectangle whose area is 10 and a rectangle whose area is x. So the entire area is also equal to the area of the two smaller rectangles. That is why we have a times 4 equals 10 plus x. You simplify this, we have 6a equals 18 plus x and 4a equals 10 plus x. We can solve both of these equations for x. That becomes 6a minus 18, and the other equation becomes x equals 4a minus 10. Since both of them are now equal to x, they are equal, so that is now 6a minus 18 equals 4a minus 10. We can solve for a. You have 2a equals 18 minus 10. 2a is equals to 8. To solve for a, divide both sides by 2. That gives us a equals 4. Now remember that we are solving for the value of x. And using any of the two equations here, we can actually solve for x because we now have the value of a. Let's just choose this second equation here. 4a equals 10 plus x. We substitute a by 4. So this is now this one. And then that is 16 equals 10 plus x. X equals to 6. And our problem is now solved. So the area of the orange rectangle is 6 square units. Thank you so much for watching this video and enjoy learning.